Hello YouTube, today we're going to turn these shoes into these shoes. A quick easy tutorial and we're going to get started. So I first started off with cleaning the shoes very well, making sure that all the dirt is off of them. And now I'm going to use masking tape to cover all the parts that I don't want any of the paint to reach. After the shoes are fully taped, I put bags in them to keep the form of the bridge. I didn't have anything else, so yeah. I used Angelese paint, their professional pink, and Tahitian pink, Bahama blue, popsicle green, lava orange, and tropic sun yellow. For this design, I feel as though you can use any type of acrylic paint because if it gets scratched off, it's not really necessary. So I used a straw to put the paint onto the toothbrush and basically concentrated the color in certain areas. So stroking the brush in one spot and then moving to another one. And then using my paintbrush to do little dots to keep it, a little different. So this time I'm using popsicle green and I'm just doing the same thing, choosing different spots all around the shoe to concentrate that one color in that one spot. And I do this with all the colors that I have. After I let everything dry, that's the finished product. I'm using Angelese black acrylic leather paint, and I'm doing one part that and then one part Angelese 2 hard. This is for hard surfaces. This is not really necessary. I just wanted to do something a little extra. So honestly, I would have even let it keep the shoe looking like that, but I kind of wanted a different design, so I decided to go this route. So I'm using this ratio to fill in the pink letters the word pink, and I'm using that mixture to outline all the letters on the shoe. I'm making sure I'm going slow and as neat as possible. After letting the paint dry a little, I chose a color to kind of go over some of the mistakes that I made, making it kind of blend into the background. I'm not a perfect painter, so I thought this would be a great way to kind of cover up those imperfections. After waiting for all that to dry, I took out the plastic bags, took off the masking tape, and here will be the final product. After all of that, I really liked how my shoes came out. They're very unique, and I know no one else will have them, and it was very easy to customize. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.